working wife still gets maintenance? Yes. If income is not enough, courts compare lifestyle, salary non is equal to no maintenance. Myth, earning wife gets nothing. Truth, law looks at dignity. Section 125 CRPC, income gap matters, know your rights. Example, wife earns 12,000, husband earns 70,000. Court can order maintenance, income non is equal to equality, law assumption. Indian law says even if a wife earns, she can claim maintenance if her income is not enough to live with dignity. Court compares husband and wife income, lifestyle, and expenses. So, salary alone does not decide maintenance. This is not the full rule. There are important exceptions, full explanations, and cases on my channel.